Ballast water management is a crucial practice in the maritime industry to prevent the spread of invasive aquatic species and pathogens. Ships often take in ballast water from one port to stabilize their hull during transit, and then release it in another port. This process can inadvertently transport harmful organisms, disrupting local ecosystems and causing ecological and economic damage. To mitigate this risk, the International Maritime Organization has implemented regulations requiring ships to treat their ballast water before discharge, either through physical, chemical, or biological methods. To ensure that harmful organisms are killed or rendered harmless. Anti-fouling systems are essential for maritime vessels to prevent the accumulation of marine organisms like algae, barnacles, and mussels on their hulls. These organisms, known as biofouling, increase a ship's drag, leading to a higher fuel consumption and reduced speed. Additional, biofouling can introduce invasive species to new environments, harming local ecosystems. Modern anti-fouling systems employ less toxic or non-toxic technologies to combat biofouling, such as polishing, coatings, and silicone-based paints. These systems either release biocides gradually or create a slippery surface that prevents organisms from attaching, ensuring efficient and environmentally friendly shipping operations. Other contemporary regulations or requirements. The maritime industry is subject to various contemporary regulations and requirements. This includes stricter emissions standards to reduce environmental impact, robust cybersecurity measures to protect against cyber threats, and comprehensive safety management systems to prevent accidents. By adhering to these regulations, the industry aims to ensure safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible shipping operations.